This question about the construction of a simple loudspeaker and explain how the loudspeaker produces a sound wave. An alternating current passes through the coil of wire of the loudspeaker. This creates a change in magnetic field or an alternating magnetic field around the coil, as the current is constantly changing direction, the direction of the magnetic field. As the electric current or the alternating current passes through the coil of wire of the loudspeaker, this creates a change in magnetic field as shown in the simulation. As the current is constantly changing direction, the direction of the magnetic field keeps changing. As the current is constantly changing the direction or the direction of the magnetic field, and there is the interacting magnetic fields would exert a force on the coil. The direction of the force at any instant can be determined by using Fleming's left-hand rule. As the magnetic field is constantly changing direction, the force exerted on the coil will constantly change in direction. This makes the coil oscillate. The oscillating coil causes the speaker cone to oscillate, and this makes the air particles vibrate, creating sound waves. Finally, I left the mark scheme to check the answers. Do not forget to share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next video.